Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create these music video effects in Premiere Pro. Let's begin by duplicating our clip. Hold Alt and click and drag above to Video Layer 2. Right-click the top layer and select Speed/Duration, and then change the value to 95. Move the playhead to where you want the effect to begin, and collapse the left side of your clip. Now move your playhead to where you want the effect to end, and do the same thing. With the duplicated clip still highlighted, go over to Effect Controls and change Opacity to 50%, and the blend mode should be set to Lighten. First, create an adjustment layer, and then drag it above your clip on the timeline. Right-click the adjustment layer and select Speed/Duration, then change the value to 5 frames. Move over to the Effects tab and search for Transform and add it to the adjustment layer. Under Effect Controls, move the playhead to the start of the layer, then click the stopwatch icon for Scale under Transform. Move ahead a few frames, and then click this circle to make another keyframe. Move this keyframe to the end of the layer, and then change the value of Scale to 140. Center this keyframe in the middle of the adjustment layer, and then change the shutter angle to 360. Now all you have to do is move this adjustment layer to where you have a beat you want to bounce to. Then simply duplicate the adjustment layer by holding Alt and clicking and dragging over for each beat you want to put the effect on. Let's begin by moving your playhead to where you want the flicker effect to start. Highlight your clip and then make a cut by holding Ctrl and pushing K, and then zoom way into your timeline. Go over and select the razor tool and then move ahead one frame and make a cut. Then move ahead another and make another cut. Continue doing this until you've made about 15 cuts in total. Now go through and delete every second frame until you've reached the end of your cuts.